Riyad As-Salihin, The Gardens of the Righteous, by Imam Nawawi, produced by Respect Graduate School. Chapter 1. 100. The Prostration of Gratitude. Hadith number 567, narrated in Sunan Abu Dawud, Jihad, 152. Sa'd ibn Abi Waqqas, may Allah be pleased with him, said, "We went out with the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, from Mecca, making for Medina. When we were near Azwaza, he dismounted and lifted his hands and made supplication to Allah for a time, and then he went down into prostration and remained there for a long time. Then he stood and raised his hands for a long time, and then went down into prostration again. He did that 3 times. He said, I asked my Lord and interceded for my community, and he gave me 1/3 of my community. So I went down into prostration to my Lord out of gratitude. Then I lifted my head and asked my Lord for my community, and he gave me another 1/3 of my community. I went down into prostration to my Lord out of gratitude. Then I lifted my head and asked my Lord for my community, and he gave me the last 1/3 of my community. So I again went down to prostration to my Lord.